Hey everyone, so I have an 8x20 canvas and I'm going to do a flip and drag. I took some Artist Loft Deep Magenta and I gave it a shot of the Soho Crimson Red just to darken it up because I didn't have anything dark enough mixed up to go with this lighter pink. And this is a pink metallic. It's actually called Rose Metallic. And some black. So I'm going to just do hopefully something nice and feathery, springy with the hints of black. So I need a 5-ounce cup. And I'm going to spray it with my WD-40 silicone spray. And rub it in. I get plenty of cells without having to leave it in the cup. Okay. So I'm going to start with the red this time. I'm going to call this Red Magenta. And follow that with the metallic pink, just a touch, because I'm going to put it again after the black. That's it for the black. No more. They always take over. And just a little bit of that on top. Okay. That's it. No more than that. Very tiny little bit of paint in my cup. And I'm going to flip it right in the middle. I already laid my white down, so I didn't have to wait for me to do that. I'm kind of on a roll tonight. It's late, and I wasn't home all day, so my videos didn't get done during the day. So we're doing them tonight. Which is kind of nice because then the sunlight doesn't come through here and make the screen yellow. But I have to paint when I have time. It's hard work and full time and taking care of house and people's and running and we get it done. Okay, let's drag some paint. Oh, lost it all right there. I want some of that red. There we go. Okay. We'll let that set for a minute and fill in. Baldy spot here on the end. So we'll see how this one comes out. I'm hoping our pink doesn't get too pink, too pinky. That's why I brought that red back. Let's move it around a little bit. Not a lot of movement because we didn't use a lot of paint, which is fine with me. It's a littler canvas. Narrower. Same length, just narrower. Affordable flip and drags. How's that sound? Okay, let's torch it. There comes the black up through there. Well, we knew where all the black went, huh? Okay, let's start airbrushing. That's pretty cool right there. So we're going to be doing some paint testing soon. I've been buying some stuff from Jerry's Artorama online. Paint is paint. To me, paint is paint. It's how you mix it to get it to work. I know a lot of people are going to debate me on this archival quality. I'm sorry, I don't care what happens to my painting 100 years from now. I won't be here. Nobody knows what's going to happen to it anyways with the silicone and the Floetrol, and nobody knows, so I'm not going to debate it with anybody. It's a painting, it's beautiful. The people that are buying your painting aren't going to be around 100 years from now either, so I don't think it really matters. Save your money. Now if you were like Mozart, not Mozart, yeah, if you were like Mozart. Oh my goodness, that was hilarious. Monet, Van Gogh, that's different. If you're famous now, sure, do it your way, because your paintings may be worth millions of dollars someday. But if you're just an acrylic pourer, well, you can't even say that because you don't know what's going to happen 100 years from now. This is not going to be a lost art anytime soon, that's for sure. Everybody's doing it. There's probably, oh, who knows, there could be a million videos like this online. But I know I love the paintings. I know that I would put them in my house. I've actually purchased a couple just because I wanted that artist's work in my house, and they're pretty. But it's good to support your fellow artist. And to all of the haters out there that say a 4-year-old could do this, they sure can, but I'd like to see them mix the paint and pick the color combinations. So, had a lot of negativity the past couple of months with girls trying to do art shows or display their art, and people saying things like that to them. So, and you know, if someone in your family does this, be supportive. This is a great outlet for stress. It's not just a hobby. It's therapeutic. I think that's all I'm going to do to this one. I'm going to watch and see what happens when this dries. I'm really hoping that darker magenta I mixed up will pop through. So if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe below and click on the bell, and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share. You can leave a comment. If you have any questions or anything, you can hit me up with some easy questions on here. But if you need to know more in depth, or if you're looking to purchase items that you can't find, I can help you find them, hopefully. And you can do that through my Facebook page at Christina Welch Art. And I just rubbed my face. I probably got paint on it. There she is. And she will dry darker. we'll see what happens with this one in a couple days. So guys, I appreciate you watching me tonight. Have yourselves a great day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye now.